Nice idea with the masking tape around there. I like that. That hardly threw up any dust at all. And here I was wondering about that. I left this up. You know, I had to pull this down. I had to pull this down from here over so that they could bring this in. And the blue tape, after 6 days, it didn't leave any marks up here at all. Whoo, doggy, what a relief. These counters are now installed. Those guys were really something else, man. They did a really super good job, and they do work for the Home Depot and for Lowe's and even Costco. But this is called Calcutta Gold. And it's got these nice markings on there and stuff. And there you have it.